Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install OBS Studio on your Windows. First, open your web browser and go to the official OBS Studio website. Always make sure you are downloading from the official site to avoid any fake or harmful version. Once you are on the home page, you will see download option for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Click on Windows since we are installing it on a Windows PC. Wait for a few seconds until the download is complete. Run the installer once the download finishes. Go to your download folder and double click on the OBS Studio installer. You might get a pop-up from Windows asking for permission. Just click yes to continue. Now the OBS setup will open. Click next, then next again to accept the default installation path. And finally click install. The installation will start. It usually takes less than a minute. Launch OBS Studio. After installation, make sure the box that says Launch OBS Studio is checked and then click Finish. OBS Studio will now open for the first time. It might take a few seconds to load all the components. You have successfully installed OBS Studio on your PC. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share